Hey, what's going on guys? This is Gabe from WPFlames.com. In this project I created a WordPress gallery from custom post types featured images using Isotope filter combined with lightGallery. lightGallery displays images in Lightbox, a very fancy way with captions and paginations. During WordPress development I strive to use as few plugins as possible, so I implemented these features directly in my child theme. So let's jump right into the WordPress admin. As you can see, I created a custom post type called Gallery and uploaded some images from Pixabay. Every single post has a featured image. We're gonna sort them by category and display the title dynamically in the gallery. If you want to get the step-by-step guide for this project, click the link in the description below and sign up for premium membership at WPFlames.com. That's it guys, I hope you found this useful and I will see you next time.